Hello viewers, hari ini janmit ngamdan ke iga kubor ban kran fi kembaju kran. Reng aku ban ai gawe iga jingruai fi. Kata ka jingruai ka iga bau Jesus Christ kran na kata gospel jong Matthias. Ka bau kran ka iga sermon on the mount. Kalau nak banyo ka bau kran syapang ka jingtai ya ka ying halor mau siang. Dengan iga jingruai ka iga ba filajio snow. Bat ka bangarung snow tenak ha ban ruai. Kada ga jingruai ga ba ruai dagi boot brothers ga ba kertang castles in the sand. Dengan nget habang ruai do men sim. Nget ba kan kata ga men sim jo fi kan dan ga jingmut kan ga jingruai. Patong ini sedang no ga ga jingruai la yarap tem dai bakha jama. I fulfill kamkyam. But you want shuti shaniti ngala yo lat ba. Isha dai nong tem item ha idan ha po ka Indian Air Force but i jutem ni kaniga di way ni ginong tem tinga snow tanak ya ba ila yarap yang ni singi ban tem ban yo rai ya kaniga jingrai ti tong in ya sedang no ya kaniga jingrai like a child by the seashore building castles in the sand. Foolish dreams I have dreamed day by day, leaving God out completely till the day my castle's grand fell apart in the tide and swept away. In each life storms will gather, rains descend and wild winds blow. Wise the man who in God is anchored fast. Are you then like that wise man? Are you anchored? Do you know you are safe till the storms of life are past? Castles built upon the sand, though they seem to be so grand, will surely melt away. For in life's raging storm they cannot stand. In the rock of the ages, all my hopes are built today, and in the rock they will never pass away. And in the rock they will never pass away. Play shibon nakabanta ka buram you try. Yero you try.